In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for budgeting with the 50-30-20 rule. This is a powerful strategy that can help you manage your finances more effectively and bring structure to your spending habits. Notion, with its flexibility and customization options, is a superb tool for this. We'll start by logging into your Notion account. If you already have one, simply go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you're going to create a new page. Click on the New Page option in the sidebar. Now that you've got your new blank canvas, let's give it a name. We're sticking with something straightforward yet descriptive, so go ahead and call it 50-30-20 Budget Tracker. This naming makes it clear and directly linked to the budgeting method we're going to employ. Now that your page is named, let's move on to setting up your monthly income. You can use a simple text block or, for more versatility, a database. Enter your monthly income here. This step is crucial because it will form the basis for how we categorize the rest of the budget. Organizing this tidily ensures clarity, which is essential for effective budgeting. Next, let's create an expenses database. This is going to be your main area for logging all of your expenses. In Notion, you can do this by creating a database right on your page. Include columns for the date, description, the amount spent, and most importantly, the category that the expense falls into. Categories should align with the 50-30-20 rule. Necessary spending, which takes up 50% of your income, discretionary spending, which accounts for 30%, and savings or debt repayment, encompassing 20%. Maintaining a consistent format is key here, as it helps the database remain clear and easy to navigate. With your expenses database set up, creating filtered views for each budget category is your next move. Notion's functionality here is perfect for breaking down your expenses into manageable sections. Create a filter for each category so you can easily see how much you are spending in each of the three categories. This will not only help you keep track of where your money is going, but also empower you to make informed decisions about your spending habits. Just like that, within a few steps, you've set up a functional budgeting tool in Notion that's customized just for you. This simple yet powerful system can bring greater transparency and control into your financial life. Remember to update this regularly with your expenses and keep an eye on how well you're adhering to the 50-30-20 allocations. Over time, you'll gain valuable insights that can help refine your financial habits. So there you have it, a clear, effective way to budget within Notion using the popular 50-30-20 rule. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting.